Hello guys, I'm going to show you this wonderful dicer and how to cut potatoes into to do french fries real quick. So you got all this stuff that comes with the this dicer here, the brush to clean it. This is to, like, you stick a carrot here and you turn it around and it comes out like slices from this end. This doesn't matter for now. This is to stick in the vegetable so you don't go there with your hands, so you like turn it around. Cute little button, the brush to clean it up. This is like similar to the other one, no matter. This is for thicker sticks of potato. We don't care about this. It has some other stuff, I don't know what it is, I don't care. Yeah, so you got the brush, like a little toothbrush for your machine. Now, these are by far the best peelers I've ever seen. They are heavy, they are balanced, they are amazing. Now, depends if you like to cut it like a potato, you can do it like this with this one, or you can just like chip away at the peel, or you can use one of these. It's also from the same collection. I think I got these from Amazon, and you can just like do it like this, you know, real quick. Check it out, half the peel is gone. So now you just follow over. You don't have to do a lot of strength, so you don't take a lot of the potato away. You can just be gentle and stuff. All right, so I'm trying to do this really quick so you guys can see how easy your life can become. So yeah, one potato. Let's just try this one just for fun. Okay, this one is not as cool for me. Maybe it will be cooler for people who are used to using a knife. Yeah, I don't like this one as much. This one is great for carrots, like you stick them, like you do this motion over here, and yeah, it's great. But for these ones, guys, right here, I like this one. Right on. Pump it, baby. Yeah, because I was tired of seeing my mom in the kitchen like waste away for hours, and she was always like, "Oh man, guys don't have no idea how long it takes to cook, to peel all this stuff. It's boring, it's hard work, and she's getting old, like most of our moms, of course. Sad but true. So if you get like these dark spots, you just cut them away until they disappear. If they disappear, the rest of the potato is good. If they don't, you just keep doing it until you reach the end of it, basically. Yeah, and my mom was always like sleeping away in the kitchen, and I was like, man, this is not cool. I should buy something to make her life easier, and I don't want to be in the kitchen for this long, you know, because we got stuff to do. So I just went on to Amazon, checked out some stuff, some comments from the people who had bought these. It's like, yeah, this sounds good. Because I used to buy the cheap ones, some made of plastic, and damn, that sucked. I mean, it did the job, but it was not as fluid as this one. This blade is really amazing. You even have to be extra careful when you're washing it, so you don't cut yourself. Okay, so the potatoes are done. They are cut. Now, the best part, the actual reason why I'm doing this video, this little beauty right here. I'm sorry if the angle is not the best, but I had to include my little helper. So you see, this is not attached, but this one is. You got this light right here that lets you take this to wash it, and you lock it. So there's no issue. So you just stick it here, punch it a little bit, and you give like firm hammer punches. Done. Right, so let's go to the next one. Done. Done. This one is a little bit big, but let's try it. Let's try it on. See what happens. Done. Now you remove it, and what do you get? You get these amazing little sticks, all of them at the same measure. Some are longer, some are not, but in terms of frying it, they are all going to fry uniformly. They're going to be the same color at the same time. When you do this by hand, some sticks become thicker than others. Some get a little burnt before the other ones are cooked. But this is just perfect, and you can see the quantity. This is like enough for like two people. To yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope this helps any of you make your life a little quicker in the kitchen. You can also use this for onions, tomatoes, whatever you want. It's just bash and done. And I was kind of afraid that this was not going to be strong enough. The impression that I had initially was that you would just need to close this and like push on it, but that's not enough for potatoes, you know? You really do have to punch it a little bit. But if you punch it like an animal, you're probably going to break this. But if you give those firm punches, like hammer, you know, you are not going to damage this, and it's going to be really quick and easy. So I hope you guys like this. If you did, I don't know, man, give me a like, subscribe, whatever. Hope you guys have a great day. Wheelie, Wheelie, say goodbye to the pretty people. These are dudes. Bye bye, everybody.